Let's explore the resource that can really transform the way how you present your offers. Join me today as we dive into Leonie Dawson's Academy, Uncover Art of Unique Presentation. It is so important to become a clear envelope person. So I want you to imagine that you go to one of those conferences and there are a bunch of speakers and they share what they do, and there are a bunch of people who really need what you offer. And what you are offering is something really simple. You are offering $100 in a brown paper envelope and you're selling it today for a price of $20. And imagine that you go on that stage with that brown paper envelope and you say, does anyone want this brown envelope? This is kind of expensive and stuff, but we do payment plans. And yeah, of course, nobody wants to buy your offer. And of course, nobody buys. Why would they buy? They don't know that there is $100 bill inside of this brown paper envelope. You said nothing who the product is for, what it does, what is inside, what are benefits, what are results? You said nothing. Now imagine that you get up on a stage with a clear plastic envelope. And in that clear plastic envelope, people can clearly see that it's $100 bill. And you're like, party people, I am so glad that you are here because I have so amazing offer for you. Today, and today only, I have a very special offer. And you can buy this envelope from me, which has inside a fresh $100 bill. You can use it whatever way you like. And that is only for $20. That's right, you get it from me for only $20. And you are instantly going to get back $80. It is like $80 profit right then and there. And I know you are probably thinking, this is crazy offer. Who are you? Well, I want to tell you that I have been selling these clear plastic envelopes for 5 years now. And I have sold to over 20,000 happy customers. And I have been featured in Money magazine, and Oprah has listed me as one of her favorite things of year 2016. And I want you to know that there are other people who have felt exactly the same way as you. So I am gonna introduce them to you now. And you get somebody on stage who says, hey, I am Fred. Crazy, you know, I actually was at the same place as you 1 year ago in one conference. And when I saw this speaker, I thought, what on earth? And I knew that I had to give her a go. And I was really struggling for cash at that point. And I was not really sure how I will gonna pay for my kids' shoes for the school, because the school was starting up. I hesitated, but then I took a leap. I got $80 back profit for it. You know, I really wasn't sure how I will gonna pay my bills. I can't recommend experience more highly. She was a pleasure to deal with, and I would happily buy from her again. And then somebody else comes out and say, hey, I'm Cassandra and I bought the clear plastic envelope 3 years ago. And honestly, I really didn't need an extra cash then, but I thought, why not? Anyway, and I ended up doing it. And I spoiled myself to the most amazing lunch afterwards. And I always have wanted to go to this fancy restaurant. And I did. And it remained one of my favoriteest memories. I just want you to leave any fears right now that this is legit. And it has helped so many people. And I can't wait to see what you will gonna do with your plastic envelope. And then she gives mic back to you. And then you say, I am so glad that you heard from them. I wanted to make sure they answered some questions. And just for today, I'm going to be offering this at $20. But I want you to know that this is only available for you today. And I only actually have 300 envelopes available today. Again, what you receive is, if you give me your $20, I give you back this clear plastic envelope for you to spend whatever way you like. Whether buying yourself groceries, or going to this amazing restaurant, or buying a school shoes, or buying that thing that you always have wanted to buy. The opportunity is here, and I can't wait to see what you do with your money. Again, come to me right now, and let's roll. Now, what do you think? How many people took clear plastic envelope? This was selling exactly the same thing. Nobody bought a brown paper envelope. Everybody bought a clear plastic envelope because they could very clearly see the benefit of purchasing. Who was it for? What was a benefit for them? You have to be able to build know, like, and trust factor. So they go, yeah, this is legit. And you were also able to provide them with the social proof. This is what marketing is. Are you marketing your offering in a brown paper envelope or clear plastic envelope? If you want to think everything you do, how to become a clear plastic envelope person who was able to sell to every single person in this audience. I hope that you enjoyed today this exercise about 2 envelopes. If you want to learn more such amazing exercises, I really encourage you to check out the link down below this video from Leonie Dawson Business Academy. I find this analogy incredibly powerful. We strive for authenticity, impact, and success. And that starts with how we present our offers. Thank you for joining me today.